Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So in this video I am going to solve some English questions and I will tell you my approach. Okay, this is the series which we are running for English, and this is the 4000 smart practice questions book. And if you want to purchase any of these books like reasoning, quants or English, then the link of all the books is given in description for Hindi and English both versions. So from description you can check and download the books. So now I will start the video. In this video I am going to solve some match the following questions, as these questions are somewhat confusing, so I will solve these questions. Okay, so first of all we have to read these questions and we solve these questions by the options. So first of all we will go with first option A and E and B and D. So now we will match A and E. While yes, researchers have associated lapses of attention, it can be helpful to quiet the inner monologue. So it seems right, yeah, because the researchers have associated lapses of attention, it can be helpful to quiet the inner monologue. So it seems correct. Now we will check B and D. But much of our lives are spent in solitude with memory loss and depression. So here when we check the other options with B, like but much of our lives are spent in solitude, it can be helpful. No, spent in solitude alone with our thoughts, fantasies, dreams and inner striving. So here we can see that B is the perfect match for F. So now first option is wrong and we have found B and F. Now we will see the option which have B and F. So second option has B and F. Okay, now we will check C and D. Sure, when we need to pay attention to the outside world, it can be helpful to quiet the inner monologue. So when we need to pay attention to the outside world, it can be helpful to quiet the inner monologue. It is also right. Okay, these two sentences are related, so we will mark it. And now we will check C with F. When we need to pay attention to the outside world alone with our thoughts, fantasies, no, it is not right. Okay, because we are paying attention to the outside world, so we are not alone with our thoughts. Then B and D, but much of our lives are spent in solitude, it can be helpful. No, it is also wrong. So we have the correct option as B. Now we will check another question. A and F. One of the dive instructions points out to build another more natural weapon to combat the mass outbreak. So it is not making any sense that the dive instructions point out to build another. Okay, so it is not making any sense. Then B and F. Scientists at AIMS are attempting to build another more natural weapon to combat the mass outbreak. So B and F is correct. Okay, now we will check A and D. One of the dive instructors point out flooding are part of a losing battle, but they are dive instructors. Okay, and they are but pointing out flooding are part of a losing battle played out across the country. And then second option points out two blacktip reef sharks circling a docile green turtle busy grazing on algae. So A and E is a correct pair, not A and D. Okay, so but A and E is not given in any of the options. Now we will check C, B and D. Scientists at AIMS are attempting two black trees, so it is totally wrong. Then C and D. Inhabitants attempts to protect their homes from flooding are part of a losing battle played out across the country. It is right, because the inhabitants are attempting to protect their homes, but it is the part of a losing battle. Okay, because they cannot save their homes from the flood, so it is right. So now C and D is the correct option. Now we will check another question. Okay, the scientists aim. So here the first option is C and E. A disaster changes the world and our view of it. So it is like totally correct. It is making the sense that the disaster changes the world and our view of it. So now we will mark this and we will move ahead. A and E. The scientists aim to reintroduce the world and our view of it. It is wrong. Then B and D. The word crisis means in medical terms the snail on reefs from where they have disappeared. This is not the definition of disaster. Then B and D. The word crisis means in medical terms the world and our view of it, it is also wrong. So our correct option is C and E, and this is the correct answer. So we will mark C and E as our answer. So now these are the questions, 3 questions I have taken from this book and from this chapter, and if you wish I will solve more questions. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.